Hi everyone. So what I'm just going to teach you in this class to create a beautiful project, a beautiful real estate website project in this class, where you will see a lot of images and some animation, because I'm just going to apply not only the HTML and CSS but the HTML5 and CSS3 projects too. Basically, I'll just use the animations and the transitions in that project from the CSS3 to make that project more perfect and more beautiful. So let's just start working on it. I'm just creating the basic HTMLization, the HTML structure, the head, about these basic things, the body, and there inside the head tag I'm just putting the title, and there inside the title I'm just putting like the real estate website, whatever you want to type you can. And then in the body, what I'm just doing, because I'm just teaching you the project in the HTML5 format, so I'm just putting the HTML5, sorry, not in this way, actually I just need to put the header here as the main tag or the first ever tag of the body. And then after the header or inside the header, why not I just put the navigation tag, nav, and then after the nav I'm just creating some more things. I'm just creating the main tag, or I can create the section, but I'm just creating the main tag here, and main tag just like the middle tag. So I'm going inside that, and then I'm just creating a few things there, but there I'm not creating the two portion of the website. That means I'm not creating the sidebar or the left bar. Just leave that alone and go down after the main area, just create the footer tag too. And now what I just need to create this style tag here. I'm just clicking on the new, and there I'm just creating the style tag, style.css, and just saving. Okay, now I'm just going inside, and basically first of all what I just need to do, I just need to attach this style.css with this index.html page. So I'm just going after the title tag and the link relation, because I'm attaching that page, the style tag, with this one. So the relation is a style sheet, and then add in space and hyperreference, and inside the hyperreference the style.css, as you know about that. Now save. What I'm just doing next here, you know that this is the header. I'm just going to the style.css, and I'm just doing some basic things. First of all, before just creating the header, I'm just putting the universal selector, and inside the universal selector what I'm just doing, I'm just putting the things like margin 0, padding 0, and save. And now what the next here, well, I'm just thinking that before creating the whole website, why not I just create the container. So the id container, and I'm just putting all these data, the header, the main, and the footer inside this header, inside this container. So let's just put that on. Okay, now save that. By the way, the second thing which I'm just doing here, and for the first one I'm just applying the container here, and then inside the container what I'm just doing, I'm just putting something like background, just for the testing purpose. I'm just putting the background color here. And the second thing is, which I'm just doing here, and what is that, the margin 0 and auto. Now save and go to the browser back and refresh. Now actually nothing is there, just because I just didn't put any width and height for now. So I'm just putting the width DTH around 1000 px, just for the testing purpose, as I said again, the 1000 px, and the height as the 1000 px again. So save and go to the browser back and refresh. Now you can see the element is there, looking great and awesome. Basically this is not super awesome, I just put it the container, I just created the container, and it's the basic layout. So guys, in the next class we'll continue to create the project again. Stay tuned and goodbye.